Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to use Zapier Webhooks. First, open any preferred browser and search for Zapier. This will take you to the official Zapier website, so make sure you're signed into your Zapier account. On the Zapier homepage, click on the Create button at the top left corner and then select Zaps from the drop-down menu. This will open up a new web page. Simply click on the first box and select Webhooks by Zapier from the options. This will open up a new side menu. In the side menu, click on the Event field and select Catch Hook from the drop-down. After that, click on the Continue button. You'll then be prompted to enter the trigger of your preference. Once you've done that, click on the Continue button again. At this point, Zapier will provide you with a unique webhook URL. You can copy this code to use it wherever you need it, such as in your web application or other tools that integrate with Zapier. Whenever an event occurs that matches the trigger you set up, Zapier's webhook will capture the data and send it to the destination you've specified in your Zap. So that's all for this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Thanks.